Don't ignore mounting debts or unpaid bills. The longer you wait, the worse the problem becomes. Take control now by reviewing your finances honestly and seeking professional advice before things spiral out of hand. Reach out to creditors and negotiate payment plans early. Most lenders prefer working with you rather than pursuing legal action. Open communication can prevent court proceedings and protect your credit rating. Acting swiftly preserves your financial future and peace of mind. Legal troubles bring stress, fees, and lasting damage. By addressing issues head-on today, you safeguard your reputation and keep your options open. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.